block lighter and shit right here, boys.
You need mud. We need mud like damn. Like, you would take the week. Oh, break in 5 minutes. Okay. Fellas, no mud. Break in 5 minutes.
This is called jointing. Use this tool right here. Boop, boop, boop. Put it in the wet mortar. They call it tooling the block. You know, you can tool your block, you can tool like when you're making tools, you can tool the old lady. What else can you tool? Leave in the comments if you think of something. Or, you know, always draw a blank. anyway, you run that through the beds and then the heads. I'll show you what those are. Take these damn gloves off. You guys probably, if y'all are watching this, you've probably seen other masonry videos, but they're not me. A bunch of pretenders, what they are. These here, these are beds, and these are heads, like a headboard, you know? Called a head joint, bed joint. Place looks like. Yeah. Justin, Brian, and Vic and them. Get a close up, those goblins. Yeah, my camera skills or something, ain't they? Hey, any of you guys down there wanted?
Yeah. Always. Always.
They said, yeah. Nobody watches my channel anyway, you're safe.
Yes, sir.
How you record this, you working, you know what I mean? It's pointed at everybody. Look, you're in it too. I'm sorry for calling you a goblin. All right, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the frickin' action that we put down. I'll see you guys in the next one. Lenny Bo out.
You're a workaholic.